there's another twist to the Bangladeshi MP murder case, that there's an angle of honey trap into it. Now, this Bangladeshi MP was a very controversial MP. That's what we are getting it from these sources in Bangladesh and also with the investigative officers. What happened is, what we are coming to know from sources, that this woman, there was like Celestia, this woman was used to lure this Bangladesh MP. That's what we are getting it from some sources. And then he was invited in this flat in Newtown where he was finally killed. Now, how the murder took place, there are more than four people involved in this murder. Three of them have been arrested in Bangladesh, and one butcher stays in Mumbai, who stays in Mumbai, who is an illegal immigrant of Bangladesh. He was brought here in Calcutta 2 months back, and he stayed here. So when this MP was called, invited in this flat, all the other four people, they were present in that flat. And when he did a freshen up, and he came into the flat, and he was little freshen up. After that, the attack took place. Chloroform was given to him, and he fell unconscious. And then pillow was used to kill him. Then he was cut into pieces, he was de-skinned, and his flesh was put into a polythene wrap. And then it was in one trolley bag and another bag, it was disposed of in various places. Now, yesterday, this butcher got arrested and he's been produced in the court today. The CID will ask the remand and will take that person to the place where this flesh and the body parts were actually thrown. So that is where the investigation is now. Definitely the honey trap angle too is there, and there's a lot of involvement of money in there. A story of revenge is also there. That's what we are getting it from sources, that he was into some money dealing thing is also there, and there was a revenge part of it. Like Akrut Jaman, he is the main accused who has brought in the butcher 2 months back. Still he is absconding. So 4 people now have been arrested, 3 in Bangladesh, 1 in India. But this is a very mysterious case, and each and every day the mystery is giving twist to a new angle.